everybody, Salty Mom BKK here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cage bag with this scrap piece of leather. You will also need 26 of these studs with bendy legs. I started by measuring the short side of my fabric. Then I divided them into 2 centimeter intervals and cut out 7 long pieces. For this bag, you need 5 strips, but it's good to have more in case of mistakes. I trim off the ends so that all the pieces are 140 centimeters long. Then I cut 2 of the long pieces in half to get 4 short strips. I punch a hole 1 centimeter from the ends of all the short pieces. These will become the body of the bag. This long piece will form the sides and bottom of the bag. I punch a hole 1 centimeter from one end, then I wrapped it around the short piece to find the position of the second hole. Here I am forming the bag's opening. I formed the short piece into a band and connected to the long piece with a stud. Then I bend the legs outward to secure. Now we're going to form the remaining body of the bag. Attach the short pieces at an 8 centimeter interval onto the long strip. Notice that I'm measuring from the edge of the short strip. The interval from hole to hole is 9 centimeters apart. I flip the bag to the sides and punch a hole on the other end. I measure 8 centimeters and bend the long piece over to the other side. Then I continue punching holes at 8 centimeter intervals and attach the studs along the way. When you reach the top, cut off the excess, leaving enough to fold over the top piece. I punch a row of holes 7.5 centimeters from the sides. And also 2 holes on the bottom that runs parallel to the front. For the handles, I punch a hole on the ends of 2 long strips. I join them to the bottom of the bag. Then I work my way up from the bottom of the bag, punching holes at 8 centimeter intervals. Then I begin again from the bottom. For the insert, I use an old grocery bag. You can take the handles out with a seam ripper or just cut them off. Then attach the grocery bag with the studs that holds the handle. So this is how I make my cage bag. Do you like it? How was my voiceover? Let me know below. Thanks for watching.